And the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary. I'm a hairstylist and a content creator based in Abuja. So today I'll be showing you guys how I took this hair from this color to the color you saw before now. And I think I have something like this on my channel, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys again. Um, so the first thing I do is to detangle it. I use my paddle brush to detangle it. I first run my fingers through it before I go ahead and use my paddle brush to detangle it. This is to avoid it tangling when it enters the water or the bleaching powder. So this is what we have after I'm done detangling, and these are the products I'll be using. You need a mixing brush, your bleaching powder, and your developer. Any bleaching powder is fine. I use the 40 volume developer, and then don't forget your gloves and your bowl. So in that bowl, I'm going to be adding my bleaching powder, the quantity I need. You don't need too much, you don't need too small, just the right amount is okay. I'm going to pour just the right amount in the bowl, and then I'm going to gradually add the the developer, sorry, in gradually while I continue to mix to dissolve every lump before I go ahead to add my boiling hot water.
Yeah, ball in my life, man. Go on with it, go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. We in a rise on course. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey that's us. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to the road one time. Sit down in a class and we put them only see the road and we go on with the road. Heard for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and I sing, yeah. Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I.
So after I'm done getting the consistency I desire, you don't need a too watery or a too thick consistency. I'm going to go ahead and dip the hair inside. I make sure I coat every part of the hair. It depends on the type, on the coloring you want to do. My client does not want the hair to be too light, so I'm just going to brown it up a little, and then I'm going to leave the closure part to be darker than the bundles itself. I don't know if you understand. So I'm going to keep on dunking the hair and combing it, so I'll allow all the products get into the hair. If you look closely, you can see that the color of the hair is already lifting. The hair is already lifting, and the color of the mixture is already changing to brown. That is how you know that the hair is already lifting. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to leave the hair in the mixture to, process for a bit. I'm going to cover it. That is why you need a container that is airtight. If you do not have, you can always use your foil paper to cover it to like allow it to process, because it processes under heat. So after I'm doing done allowing that process for like 5 to 10 minutes. It wasn't up to 5 minutes. It wasn't up to 10 minutes. It was just 5 minutes because I did not want the hair to color too much. I've gotten my desired color, so I'm going to take it out of the bowl and go ahead and rinse out the bleach from the hair using cold water. From now on, I'm going to use cold water to rinse and wash the hair. So after I'm done rinsing the bleach, I'm going to make sure every ounce of bleach is rinsed out and your water is clear. If it's not clear and it's still showing the brown or the yellowy color of water, you still have bleach in your hair, so you have to go ahead and rinse it properly. If you don't do that, your hair is going to continue processing. But if you want your hair to be a bit lighter than what it is, you should leave it in the mixture for about 10-15 minutes. It depends on the volume of developer you're using. If you're using 40 developer, it's going to process real fast. So yeah, you're going to see that the water is already clear. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and use my purple shampoo. So I'm going to show you guys the products I'm going to use afterwards. I'm going to use my purple shampoo, my regular shampoo. I use the olive shampoo. Any other shampoo is fine. I'm going to use the flawless coral strengthening conditioner, and then I'm going to use the keratin milk treatment milk. So I'm going to mix those two, and you're going to see me do that. So first things first, I'm going to use my purple shampoo to go ahead and kind of apply it on the hair, and I'm still going to, it's not like you're washing your hair with a shampoo, but this time around you're going to leave the shampoo on the hair for 5 to 10 minutes. This is because I do not want any brassiness on the hair. You know, bleaching is very damaging to your hair, so you have to use the purple shampoo to like reduce the damages, if that makes sense, to reduce the brassiness and then give it a little bit of shine. So that is why we use the purple shampoo.
Work, 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 work. To me, I do work, 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 work. You see me do me that.
After I must have left the purple shampoo on the hair, I'm going to rinse it out with cold water again, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my regular olive shampoo. Again, you can use any type of shampoo you have. This is just what I use, and that is what works for me. So I'm going to like go ahead and wash the hair with my regular shampoo, the regular way you wash your hair.
Nobody touch me in a rush. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, and my keys, and my passion. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 I'm in the cafe, my da, 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 da. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave.
After I'm done thoroughly washing the hair, I'm going to mix my treatment milk with my conditioner. I like to mix this because I want the hair to have this softness and shine to it. You can go ahead and use just conditioner, but I would advise you use the treatment milk. It's going to give the best results. Trust me, I've tried both ways, and this is the best way to do it. Understand? So yeah, I mix the two products, and then I'm going to work my way into the hair, making sure every part of the hair gets the product. So when I'm done, I'm going to use my paddle brush to furthermore comb the hair to make sure every product touch every strand of the hair. So after that, I'm going to tie it in a plastic bag, and I'm going to leave it for 40 to 50 minutes. It depends on how soft and shiny you want the hair to be. The longer the better. You can even leave it for 24 hours. It's totally your personal choice, but 40 minutes, 50 minutes gets the job done. So yeah.
Baby, baby, booty work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 I'm in the cafe, my da, 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 da.
Ou se yon bad gal, yon real from black gal. Tourne yon bad man, tellement son hot gal. Your body so poison, le ou move en slow motion.
Next, I'm going to bring it out of the plastic bag and rinse it with cold water again. After that, I'm going to pat dry the hair with any cloth of your choice. Actually, So you do not squeeze it, you pat dry. You're going to see me doing that. So I gently pat dry. I do not squeeze it so I don't ruffle the curls that we just tried putting into the hair, because the conditioner, brings back the curls. If you can go back to watch the video, you see that the curls were combed out from the beginning. So yeah, we just brought back that curl, so you don't need to squeeze the hair roughly to bring back, to scatter the curls, sorry. So this is the paddle brush I like to use. It's not called a paddle brush. I think it's called an octopus brush or something because of the way it moves. So I use it to comb it, to like see, to further detangle the hair. I don't want any lumps in the hair after I'm done rinsing it, before I go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner. So even if I'm applying the leave-in conditioner, this is the brush I'm going to be using. So I go ahead to squeeze out the excess water before I then proceed to gently pat dry and squeeze it in my towel. After that, I'll be using my Coralala leave-in conditioner and my Hawaiian silk. I like to mix the two, so you can use either of the two. You can either use the Coralala, Auntie Jackie's Coralala, or the Hawaiian silk leave-in conditioner. Whichever one is fine, but for maximum results, I mix the two. It's going to define your curls, guys. It's going to define it. And yeah, after that, I'm just going to work it in, and then I will use my hair serum as well for extra shine. And then I'm going to use my octopus brush to like brush and comb everything in. The octopus brush basically defines the curls more than the paddle brush, if that makes sense. Yes, so I highly suggest that you use an octopus brush for your curly hairs. And yeah, up next, after combing, is scrunching it up, baby. You need to scrunch up that hair to furthermore mold the curls. This is going to give you that curly effect. I don't know how to explain it, but just the way I'm scrunching it up, you need to scrunch up your curly hairs to like mold the curls, basically. Yeah, so this is what the hair is looking like. Wet, is looking all juicy, all nice. I'm so proud. So after that, I'm just going to transfer it onto a mannequin head or a dummy, whatever you call it, and then I'm going to leave it to air dry, away from direct fan. Please don't put it close to a fan or an AC where there's too much breeze. Just leave it to naturally air dry, and you're going to have a fluffy curls afterwards. After it's dry, you're going to have a fluffy curls. Yeah, I don't know, I keep repeating myself, but you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I think this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let me know what kind of tutorials you want to see on my channel. I'm trying to bring back my hair tutorials, even though the videos don't do so well, but yeah, we gotta try. So thank you so much for watching. If you've watched to this point, thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.